Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group, and today we are going to preview the Sorento floor plan. This is part of the Manor line of homes at many of Lennars Southwest Florida communities. Today we are at the place at Corkscrew over in Estero. The Sorento is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath home, 3-car garage, and over 3,200 square foot. It also features a loft upstairs. Let's take a walk in and preview this beautiful floor plan. You've got a nice porch and sitting area directly out front. And then coming into the home, in the entryway here, you've got a beautiful sitting space. And directly to our left is the access to the single car garage. A 3-car garage is split, so you have a single car garage on this side, 2-car garage on the other. And this piggybacks off the dining space here, which also leads you directly into the kitchen. You get a full stainless appliance package with Lennar. And your kitchen overlooks your eat-in kitchen space here. And then also your great room here. You've got a nice flat island here, huge pantry, additional storage closet. Again, that's the entry where we came in from right there. Now coming across the great room area to our right, there's some under-stair storage here. There's a 2-floor home, and they've uniquely used this space as a nice little doggy area. Downstairs, you do have a half bath here. And then continuing down this hallway, you have your laundry space. All of Lennar homes come with a full-size washer dryer. And this leads us to our first of 5 bedrooms. This bedroom here is being featured as a den space, but it does have a closet, which you can utilize this as a 5th bedroom. And the nice part about this bedroom here is it piggybacks off the pool bath here. So you have a single sink, commode, the combination tub and shower. And this looks out onto your pool area. All right, now coming back across, we're gonna head upstairs. And that's where you're gonna find your master bedroom, the additional guest bedrooms, the loft area as well. One of the nice parts about this home too is the stairwell is not so steep, and it's got a nice little curvature to it, so it's easy up and down. And at the top of the stairs, this overlooks your entire great room area with your kitchen. And here's that loft area I mentioned over here. Really nice size space for additional TV, gaming, billiards, whatever you can think of. You've got a nice bathroom here with dual sinks right off the loft area. Private commode room right back here with the full combination tub and shower. And this is just off 2 of the guest bedrooms here. Here's one of the guest bedrooms. And again, you'll have your closet. In this case, this bedroom has a nice little walk-in closet here. And right next to it, here's the other guest bedroom here. And this one contains the bifold closet. So coming back towards the loft and main area here, again, there's still plenty of room for seating, additional nooks and crannies in this home, plenty of spaces to sit down, read a book, relax. So here is the 4th bedroom over here. Now this bedroom has its own bath, which is really nice. Again, you have the bifold closet doors. And this one here has a single sink, the commode, with a standalone shower as opposed to the combination tub and shower. And the last room here, This is your master suite. Huge master suite. You can fit more than a king-size bed here. Huge windows overlooking your views. And then you have this tremendous bathroom over here, with starting with your his and hers closets. Huge closets here. Getting into your bathroom, you have the standalone shower. You've got the soaking tub, the dual sinks, and again, the private commode. And an additional linen closet here. The Sorrento is an awesome floor plan for anybody needing some additional space. Gives you 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, over 3,200 square foot. You can find the Sorrento floor plan at many of Lennars Southwest Florida communities. Again, this is Roberto with Pinnacle Property Group. You can find all our contact information below. If you're interested in the Sorrento or any of the floor plans that Lennar has to offer in Southwest Florida, we're here to help. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.